So, oh, that won't move. But this is going to be a very quick unboxing of my skates. Without further ado, let's get to unboxing. I get this goddamn shit off. I think I need a better knife. Why do they tape it so good? Worse than unwrapping a Christmas present. What the hell? So that's that. And as you can see, these are the FR skates. I got the FR1 A's. I wanted to get the 110s, but they were out of stock, so, you know, beggars can't be choosers. So, let's open this puppy up. Got a little bit of a shipping battle damage. Ooh. Definitely don't need that. Definitely a lot more prettier than I thought they'd be. Smooth. They said they were going to be heavy. They don't feel very heavy to me. Very nice. This is like the first pair of skates I've had in like 21 years? 20? Damn. 21 years. To me, these are awesome ass fucking skates already. That feels real nice too. If I don't break before I get to use them. Yeah, so I'll be trying these out. We'll see if I drop a review. Maybe. It's gonna be a while. It's gonna be a while though. But I'll definitely drop a review. These seem nice. Okay. Set that one back in. To the side, not back in. Let's see what else is inside. Open the second boot. Yeah, these bad boys are nice. I will be getting the frames for them as well too, so I can get the 110s, so I can ride around town. Ooh, gave me the booties too. And I guess these go on like this. Oh, that was painless. Yep. So you can travel with them. You don't get your hands all dirty. Or for storage as well too, if you don't want them to mess up your floor. Set you to the side as well too. I'll put the other one on there. And it's just literature and oh wow, they give you two. Wait. Are you one-sided or double-sided? Looks like you are single-sided to remove the wheels. So why'd they give me two? I ain't gonna lie, let me take that too, cause that's nice. Oh, duh. I want to take off the frame, I want to take off the wheels, duh. Yes. So, well, that was my quick unboxing with logos everywhere. Thank you, Logo Skates. So with that said, I will take them out for a spin. Catch you guys in the next one. Okay, so I just wanted to come back really quickly as a last minute thing to show my old skates. So to show the comparison of how well these ones have held up for countless years, and why it's a really good idea to rotate your wheels as well too. And I have no idea how I've survived so long skating while doing this, but let me show you. So this is my old original blade runners, my first ever pair of blades. They're pretty beat up. Like I said, 21 years. Yeah, literally falling apart at the seams. This is exactly why you rotate your wheels. They're not supposed to be like that at all. You can see that the wheels in the back are completely flat because I put all my weight on the front. As compared to this guy, whose wheels are perfectly down the middle until I start wearing them down. You can see the frame is a lot better as well too. The wheel spin as well. See how long these ones are still spinning versus these ones who I've never ever replaced the bearings, which I'm surprised they even still work, to be honest with you. I've just put WD-40, which I'm not supposed to, on them to clean them out. That's about it. And this is as good as you get. Like, yeah, really bad. Scuff marks everywhere. I never use them for sliding, anything like that, but you know, just old and beat up. That's all. Just wanted to share that with you guys really quickly. These bad boys are old, and I skated with them for forever. Didn't know anything. Now I know a lot more. So hopefully you guys will too after. But like I said, catch you next one.